So my step-by-step guide how to write your research paper. First of all, when you want to write your research paper, follow these steps. Firstly, decide the topic that you are going to write. And secondly, do not write abstract or introduction or conclusion in the beginning itself. Thirdly, gather all primary resources and secondary resources beforehand itself. And fourthly, pick on what are the headings that you are going to write and what are the subheadings you are going to write. Put a paper and scribble on one paper the whole list of headings and subheadings that you are going to write. Fifthly, make sure how many pages you are trying to write your research paper. It depends upon the journal that you would like to communicate. So sixthly, decide which journal you would like to send that paper beforehand itself, even before writing your research paper, because that way you can format your research paper beforehand with the number of words required for that particular journal. And as my seventh suggestion is, keep in hand ready the plagiarism checker online, or free ones or paid ones, whatever may be, because your writing should not have any kind of plagiarism issues. And eighth, you should also take a grammar check in your hand so that your research paper has enough qualitatively so that the reviewers will not reject your paper. And ninth, when you are writing your research paper, make sure you write with the guidance and approval of your PhD supervisor or teachers around you. And that 10th point, if you are fulfilling all these conditions, then you can sit tight and start writing your research paper. Do not write the whole of your research paper all of a sudden at one point. Take 1 week's time, and daily you pick on one heading or few pages. If, for example, if number of pages you would like to write is about 7 pages, then pick 1 page to write a day, and in this way you can finish in 7 days or 10 days, depending upon the number of words and pages. Usually each page has got 250 words, so in that way, if it is a single space or double spaced, so everything, that's why better to decide the journal which one you would like to send that research paper, and then start writing, so that while writing itself you can format most of the research paper. So these research paper writing tips, these 10 tips are very crucial for anyone to write effectively, qualitatively, without any rejection in the future. These are very general tips instead of what methodology you are writing, because it depends upon the subject, upon the guidance of the supervisor, upon the knowledge that you have as of now, what the body to include with all the headings. So it's very easy if you have nice plan to write your research paper. If you like this video on how to write your research paper effectively, so try to share this with your colleagues, especially to all the PhD aspirants, to all the PhD students who are initially in the first and second year, so that they may benefit beforehand how to write research paper step by step in detailed way. Thank you so much for this, for listening or watching this video. So we'll meet in the next video. Thanks a lot.